Hi, hello, good afternoon to you. This is Spiller The IT Headhunter again. At present, I'm looking for a data engineer for KBC Global Services that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. The team is partly Belgian and partly Hungarian. At the moment, we are growing the Hungarian part of the team. The data and services train is building and hosting a big data platform. Currently on-prem with a Hadoop cluster, but we are migrating this to Amazon Web Services by the end of this year. As for the job, you will be responsible for the engineering and integration of frameworks and tooling used by data engineers. You will capture the business requirements and translate them into a coherent design. You will do functional requirements, technical design and implementation. You will fit pieces into each other over the different products in our catalog. As for the requirements, you should have more than 5 years of relevant experience in data engineering, strong background in cloud computing, especially in AWS, strong will to learn new technologies, services and concepts. You need to have knowledge of the following services: Kubernetes, Apache Airflow, Python programming, Apache Spark, AWS Lambda, AWS S3, data management tooling, AWS CI/CD tooling, Terraform, Cognito and data access control. You should also have broad knowledge of software development and programming, analytical mindset, good problem solving skills, good verbal and written communication skills in English, and finally, ability to work in a highly dynamic environment. Okay, so after talking about the responsibilities and requirements, let's talk a little bit about the offer. So what we offer here is a stable environment and career opportunity, lifelong learning and different training courses, competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary, annual performance-based bonuses, Medicover health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use, special employee discount on banking services, English-speaking working environment, flexible working hours, which means there is no check-in and no check-out, active teamwork with 2 office days, community life and events, company restaurant with a view over the Danube, bicycle storage and showers. As for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me, the second one is an English-speaking technical interview with the Belgian team members, and the third one is a Hungarian-speaking interview in the Budapest office. So, apply for the job if you fulfill the requirements, and if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for watching me. Thank you for your positive reactions and feedbacks on my previous videos. I really appreciate your likes and resharing my content. Keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and on WordPress, where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these videos are also available in a podcast format on Spotify Anchor. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much once again and goodbye. Bye bye.